like, no, no. Don't worry, Hailey, there's lots of food you're not gonna like. She's like, ugh, get this out of my mouth. I don't want this in my mouth. She's looking at it like, what? What more? Like, give me my face. Like, give me more.
So I went back to my doctor again. We chose Symbicort to help control my asthma symptoms all day and night.
Symbicort improves my lung function starting within 15 minutes.
Symbicort will
You guys
not
are
replace
evil.
the rescue inhaler for sudden symptoms. It is a combination of 2 medicines and should not be taken more often than prescribed.
Symbicort contains formoterol. Medicines like formoterol increase the risk of death from
What
asthma
is it
problems,
again?
and children
Pears?
and adolescents may have an increased risk of being hospitalized for asthma problems.
Symbicort is not for people whose asthma is well controlled with a long-term asthma control medicine like inhaled corticosteroids. Once your asthma is well controlled, your doctor will decide if you can stop Symbicort without loss of control and prescribe a long-term asthma control medicine.
Be sure to see your doctor if your asthma does not improve or gets worse.
Symbicort is a good choice to help control my asthma all day and night.
Ask your doctor if Symbicort is a good choice for you. If you can't afford your medication, ask
I think she's getting used to it now.
not every cop
No, no.
We are here to stay for as long
She's like, get that away from me.
TNT tonight comes a new episode that puts you right in the line of fire.
Good
Stop for anything.
or bad?
Hell yes. All new Southland tonight at 10 on TNT. No
Get it away. Get it away. I can't help you. She's beating you. I will taste it to see how it tastes, but I can't.
What's up, Doc?
You tell me.
Hopefully they don't got no bananas for her.
Great, actually.
Oh yeah. Sorry, I forgot.
So, I could be monster.
Fine, but she could eat bananas, I want to give the first one.
Why you?
What do you want?
Why do you have to have monsters? Why not let someone else do it?
Can't find anybody else that
Hey,
does.
Hailey. Cover your mouth. I know you don't like it, but you gotta eat it.
Good job.
Mm.
So is there a quota? How many people do you have to save?
Oh,
All of them? You think you have to save everyone?
yep. The wide world of sports.
How? Oh, you whatever you got for your...
Hey, Grandma picked these up for you. Okay.
See the world.
Trust me, I was there, I'll pick the good ones.
It's a damn biblical apocalypse. And if I don't stop it and save everyone, then no one will, and we will die.
She said, say no! Say no!
Apocalypse or no apocalypse. Monsters or no monsters.
That was so precious. No!
To feel like 6 billion lives depend on you. God. How do you get up in the morning?
That's a little too much on the
Doc,
Just wait, spin it out. Come on, eat Ashley. Eat Ashley.
it should work.
Yeah, I know she tastes bad.
Oh, no. Not today, sweetheart. Come on. Keep walking.
I want him now. He's larger.
You've had worse.
Another fake torture.
No, Martin. We gotta get past the security, past the order piece, and then cut the box for his throat. Okay, it's gonna suck start to finish, but we can use the back up.
Can she eat the bottle after she did this?
You don't know the half of it. God, I used to be just like you two. I used to think I was invincible. And then I found out I'm not. Martin, no, I'm not. I'm useless. Why do you think I checked myself before we took out?
Two more and then we're done and we'll have a bottle, yeah? Yeah, two more and then we'll have your bottle.
Okay, that's her first words. No. That's your first word, okay? Say no.
One more.
You stole the building. You took the West Wing techniques.
Oh, that she likes the prunes better than this.
Okay. I'm done. Done. I wish you had a lot left.